Welcome back, everyone. So in this video, I'll be discussing about tomorrow's Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stock. Few of my trade plans and the trading strategies and the very important zones where I'll be giving importance for that is tomorrow's session. That is weekly expiry. Tomorrow is weekly expiry, 8th of September. So first of all, let's understand what happened on today based on the level shared here in this video yesterday. What happened today? Have we got any trades? Whether the trades triggered stop loss or whether the trades triggered targets, let's quickly understand that. So meanwhile, make sure traders you can click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so you will be not missing any updates. And these are the 11 learning video playlists. These are must watch playlists for all intraday traders in the market. So first of all, this level marked is for tomorrow's session, but yesterday I've shared the level. You can watch the video also. 17,550, say 17,520. If price comes to this zone, gets a clear bullish rejection candle, this is the bullish rejection candle I was also mentioning yesterday. If the candle range is more than 75 points, I was planning to avoid, but no, here candle range was not more than 75 points. So above this candle I was the entry, stop loss was below this, and I was expecting target of 17,640 to 650 kind of a levels. Price went up, came down, tested some patience, but this zone was respected and more, and price ultimately tagged our target on Nifty. And make sure traders you can join the Telegram channel if you are still not joined the Telegram channel for daily live market updates and live market my option trades. And it comes to the Bank Nifty yesterday's, this was the range, okay, but the candle here was more than 200 points. I was mentioning if it is more than 170 points to avoid, it was more than 200 points, so it was not trade. One trade on Kotak Bank today, it has not worked out. Other than that, Nifty has worked out very well. So now moving on for tomorrow's trading session. Today it was again a Bank Nifty narrow range, more overlapping. If you're checking on towards the VWAP, it was just more and more of time pass wala price auction. Even the VWAP has become like a straight line here, slightly up curve and pura straight line wala price behavior. It was Bank Nifty more, it was a trapping day. More if we are checking, if price was just trading in the first initial 15-20 minute range almost for 2 hours. Again an attempt came down, again an attempt came down. Ultimately price struggled and closed around the VWAP. So this day was not dominated by even by the both buyers and sellers. There was not much dominance which could possibly seen on the Bank Nifty perspective. This taking much time after an unexpected gap down opening because of broader global markets. Okay, this has made the market to stay more into sideways price behavior. So let's move on to the tomorrow's trading session. What are the important levels and important zones which I'll be more comfortable to focus on the Bank Nifty 5-minute time frame for tomorrow's trading session, and few stock specific approaches is also there. So first of all, the zone is 39,780 to 39,820 levels. Again, this is just a future levels on Bank Nifty future 5-minute time frame, September expiry. Okay, so 39,780 to 39,820 will be a very important level. If price comes to this zone trying to get a rejection, or price struggling to move up trying to get a rejection, that means I'll be looking for what? I'll be looking for a two type of candle. Either any one has to come, either a rejection candle or a clear bearish candle. So once in the entire video when I'm speaking about rejection candle, bearish candle, this is called as bearish rejection candle or bearish candle. If any of the candle comes into play below the candle low, I'll be taking my short side trade with 5 points of buffer, placing stop loss above this again 3 to 5 points buffer. And if the candle range is more than 170 points, I'll be avoiding taking the trades, or else it's better to I'll be executing my trades expecting price to come back to 39,550 to 530 levels for a bearish side plan. So on the bullish side, let's say market like today, if it any gap down opening or mild opening near the yesterday low or somewhere, or flattish opening also, but if it is a flattish opening, price approaching the zone, any rejection, because these sellers are also there. For that, I'll be waiting and I'll be updating about it, how I'll be planning my trades on the free Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Make sure everyone can join the channel. So as of now, 39,190 to 39,140 is a very important levels on the downside for the Bank Nifty bulls. Okay, how the buyers are reacting will be a very important role. If price coming to the zone getting a rejection or price trying to go below it getting a failure and a rejection, I'll be looking for two type of candle again here when I speak about bullish rejection candle for this entire video, either candle type like this or a clear kind of bullish candle which is rejecting and clearly closing above 39,190. Closing is very important. Above that candle eye or above this candle eye, I'll be planning my bullish trade. 3 to 5 points of buffer, placing stop loss below it. Again, if the candle range is more than 170 points, then I'll be avoiding because that will make my risk side slightly bigger. So if this plan comes into picture, it can give a better move somewhere around 39,500 targets is a bigger target or minimum 39,400 is possible to get tagged on the Bank Nifty. If this plan comes into play, there is an higher probability this 39,400 to 500 levels can easily get triggered. So moving on to the Nifty, first of all, Nifty closing around 17,655. Let's say because today gap down the opening, but ultimately gap got filled, but it has taken so much time. For tomorrow, if price opens down or trying to come down, this is a wider zone 17,575 to 17,550 ka zone. Price coming to the zone, getting a rejection or struggling below, getting a rejection. I'll be looking for a bullish candle which is clearly closing above the 17,575 bullish candle or a bullish rejection candle. That will straight away invite me to plan a bullish trade to test how these buyers are reacting on the next trading session if the price rejecting from the zone with a clear-cut target of 17,640 to 660 ka level. If this trade comes into play, what I believe is there is a high probability that this plan can give us a better risk to reward based trade. Again, all the candle type which I'm expecting is on a 500 time frame. Again, Nifty future. Few minutes back, I have told how the bullish candle or bullish rejection candle I want and a bullish. These are the bullish candle category which I have told you, and same way the bearish candle or bearish rejection candles. On the high side, let's say market is opening flat or on the slightly upside and above level 17,720 to 17,735 ka levels. If price coming to the zone, getting a rejection or trying to move up, struggling to move, reversing back down, that level I'll be making it as my bearish opportunity. Either I will be looking for a bearish rejection candle or a clear-cut bearish candle to execute my bearish trade. Below the candle low, I'll be taking my bearish trade. Again, for the bullish and bearish, if the candle range is more than 75 points, then I'll be avoiding my trade or else I'll be taking my trade with stop loss placed above the candle. Again, 2 to 3 points of buffer. Here I'm expecting target straight away price coming back to 17,650 to 635 ka levels on this plan if it gets executed. Okay, and again this plan, if the moves faster, it will give a more further reward on the downside. If the moves getting slower, I'll be also need to recheck on the current data of the chart what's the price behavior. So for tomorrow there are limited stock specific approach only on the IT sectors because IT sectors today it was trying to move up. So the very important level is 3137.80 is the important level for tomorrow. 3,137 rupees 80 paise will be the important zone. Okay. So again, if price approaching the zone or trying to come from the above and trying to reject or opening below and trying to breach this zone any of way, if I'm getting a clear bullish candle formation or a bullish rejection candle formation with price clearly closing above 3137.80, I'll be looking at a bullish side opportunity above the candle eye with 1-2 points buffer, stop loss below this candle low, and the maximum stop loss range in this candle is probably 31 point. If it is more than that, I'll be avoiding. Anything less than that, it's fine enough for me to execute my trades. Okay, again here expected target is 1:1.5 minimum. That means if I'm getting a stop loss of 10 points, let's say my target is 1:1.5 minimum, that is 15 points as my target on the TCS because IT stocks by the end of the day it was trying to make a recovery. Same way HCL Tech on a different scenario, let's say market is opening a gap down opening tomorrow or mild down opening and price approaching this 919.70 levels and immediately getting a rejection or price struggling below to move down and then a rejection. Here I'll be looking for a bullish candle formation to plan my bullish trade. If this trade gets executed, I think that's an higher probability to give a big risk to reward based trade. Again, let's say if we are getting a bullish candle probably for tomorrow, the stop loss maximum I'll be, if max stop loss is 9 point, if it is more than that the candle range I'll be avoiding. If it is less than 9 points, I'll be planning my trades above the candle high with 1 point buffer, stop loss placing below the candle low. Again, 1 point of buffer, expected target is minimum 1 is to 1.5. Here we can get even 1 is to 2 ka risk reward aram se because the zone is also much into control. That means if I am getting 7 points, minimum I'll be expecting 11 to 14 points as my target. 1 is to 1.5 to 1 is to 2 ka risk